Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to active Lightbox instead of Zoom Viewer on Detail page. Log into the backend. Go to Configuration and Basic Settings. Now go to Front End and click on Shopping Cart, Item Details. Go to Zoom Viewer instead of Lightbox on Detail page drop down and select No. Click Save. Go to Configuration and Cache, Performance. Now go to Cache tab. Click on Select All and Clear. Now click on Start Process to compile the theme. Reload the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.